Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, it's time for our hashtag 10 on the 10th card collab. I know I'm a little late this evening, but it was a crazy busy day today. But I did manage to make my Christmas cards for today, and I used this month's sheet load of card sketch. I just thought this was a really easy way to get a lot of cards done. So let me show you the cards I made. I did use Doodlebug's Christmas Magic paper and some of the ephemera as well, and some of the chit chat. So here are some of the cards I made, and then I put little stickers on the inside just to add another element to these cards. I'm just going to go through them really quickly. It is near the end of the day here, and I just wanted to make sure to get this posted today. So I did make more than 10. That sheet load yields 6. So I grabbed all the scraps I could find in my paper pad that would fit this card sketch, and I was able to make 18 cards. So I made 14 in the original layout, so they're portrait, and then I made 4 horizontal. So I made these 4, just a little bit different, but still adorable, because Doodlebug is always adorable. Alright, and there you have my 18 cards for this month's 10 on the 10th card collab. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribe to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye!